So this is 3-in-1 Pico Laser 360 Magneto IPL 3-in-1 laser machine. So see the aesthetics. So RF handpiece, 360 Magneto IPL handpiece. This is the full ABS body, key switch, emergency switch, TFT touchscreen, the Pico handle, and this is the complete machine dynamic and aesthetics. Now let's start with the procedure, the complete demonstration. So this is complete interface. You can see 360 magneto optical skin cleansing system, the complete touchscreen. So we have without filter treatment in IPL. This is the complete beautiful handpiece. You can see the 360 magnetic, no filter required, beautiful handpiece, pink color handpiece. And so if you want skin rejuvenation, you can select SR mode. If you want hair reduction, you can select simple HR mode. So it has different parameters. So energy we can control from here up to 50 you can control. So we can start treatment with say 20 millijoule, 18 millijoule, complete cooling, and then ready the machine. You can see the flash intensity. See the flash intensity. If we want, we can check pulse energy, and again see the different parameters. See the flash intensity and the different parameters. Now coming to next thing, like SR, same procedure you can do. This is for photofacial, and see the simple procedure. In this procedure you can do SHR also, superficial hair removal. If you have a very good practice, you can do continuous. Just press it and do the continuous activity. So this is the very good system. Now coming to next procedure, the laser system. So this is basically a Pico ready machine. So this has, you can include 755 nanometer filter. So this is the complete metal handpiece. We can say it's a Pico handpiece, but it's basically a key switch. So this is the complete filter, the beautiful metal handpiece, and this is the Pico Sure screen. So 1064 for tattoo removal. You can see the power. We can go up to 2000 millijoule because it has very good energy. Say we start with 300 millijoule, then this is the pulse, different hertz you can select. I'll start with 1 and then hertz start. You can see the shot. You can see the intensity of the pulse. Now if I select the hertz up to 4, you can see the penetration. That means in 1 second it will release 5 shots. If I go by 10, this is the maximum. You can see the fire. If you have a very good practice, you can fire n number of times. So it has this kind of energy. And if I increase the power of say 1000 millijoule, see the same penetration. See this. You can see the spot size. This is the spot of 1000 millijoule. This is the spot of 300 millijoules. You can see the energy, and there is no harm inside the dermis. So it can go up to a proper wavelength. So this is the total power of the machine. After that, we have this RF system for skin lifting and tightening. So this is basically a very good hot and cold cooling system. So you can see, just ready this machine, and after that you can do the procedure है ना. It can help have the hot and cold sensation. It is helpful for skin lifting and tightening. So we can do two type of procedure: facial procedure we can do and body procedure we can do. It has three different handpiece for face, for body parts and bigger body parts. So this is the complete machine all about. So this machine can do a many treatment like tattoo removal, pigmentation, carbon facial, any kind of melasma treatment, hair reduction and skin rejuvenation, acne treatment, pimple treatment, and then skin lifting, tightening and wrinkle treatments. So this is the complete 360-degree machine available in very good price. So thank you so much.